Hello everyone. It's Teresa with Crochet, and today is Wednesday, so that means it is the first Wednesday of the month, and it is Battle of the Stitches Day. And today is the first Wednesday, so I'm going to be showing you the stitch that we're working on and a little tutorial on how you can do this stitch. Remember, we are working out of the Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todhunter. And this month we are on stitch number 13 in this book, the Crossed Half Double Crochet. This is such a beautiful stitch. It really gives a nice texture, and it gives a little bit of a meshed look to your project also. Um, if you're new to my channel, I have a whole playlist for Battle of the Stitches. You can go check out any of the other videos that I have put up. But just a brief recap of what happens with Battle of the Stitches. We do, on the first Wednesday of every month, we pick a new stitch out of this book each month. And I have on my Battle of the Stitches playlist, I have a video that's called A Year at a Glance. And I have explained, and Heather from Strings and Threads, she does this with me. She also has that same kind of video out, so you can go and watch hers too. But we have laid out what stitch we are planning on doing every month for the rest of the year, so you can get a little heads up on what we're doing. But for Battle of the Stitches, the first Wednesday, and if you're a content creator, you can email me or Heather. My email will be in the description box, and you can let us know if you'd like to join us for Battle of the Stitches and battle it out with us to see who can come up with the best project. And I'm going to explain that in just a minute. So as a content creator, what you will do is we come on the first Wednesday, like I'm doing today, and we show you the stitch we're doing for the month, and we give you a tutorial on how to create that stitch. Then the second Wednesday, we come back on, and you're going to be working on a project with that stitch that is a new project to you, that you are creating. You're not using someone else's pattern or anything like that. You are creating your own project using that stitch. And so then on the second Wednesday, we will come on with a video and show everyone a sneak peek of what we're making and see if they can guess what we're making with that stitch. Then the third Wednesday of the month, we come back on with a video and we show you our finished project that we made. And we will also open up a poll on our community tab that you can go to after you've watched everyone's videos that are involved with this month. If you watch all of the videos, then you go back to one of the community tabs on our page, on our YouTube channel, and you vote for the project that you like the best, and then leave a comment below letting us know that you voted. Then on the fourth Wednesday, we will go live, and me, Heather, and anyone else that's a content creator that's involved with the Battle of the Stitches for that month, we will come on live the fourth week, and we will share whose project got the most votes. And then out of all the people that voted, we'll pick one person to win that project that got the most votes. If there happens to be 5 Wednesdays in the month, we will open the voting for the third and fourth week, and then we will do the live video on the 5th week. So that's basically how it works. If you have any questions, just email us. If you are not a content creator, you can still be involved. You can still make something with that stitch, and we have a Battle of the Stitches Facebook page, and you can post your pictures to that Battle of the Stitches page. And what we do with the people that post in that Facebook page at the end of the month, Heather draws one person's name, and then every 4 months we take the 4 names that were picked, and we choose one person to win one big prize. So make sure you get involved in that. And like I said, if you're a content creator, you can just send us an email and let us know which month you would like to join in. We have myself and Heather, Beth from Melody Crochet Nook, and Sam from Hooks by Hooks or by Hook or by Needles. I'll say it right in a minute. Both of them have dedicated to do Battle of the Stitches with us every month this year. So as a content creator, you can choose to do every month like Sam and Beth are doing, or you can just pick a month here or there to get involved. But we would love to have more of you join us. So let us know if you would like to be part of Battle of the Stitches, and we will guide you through it and show you what to do and answer any questions that you might have. So now let's head over to the table and let's see how to make the crossed half double crochet. All right, y'all, we're at the table and I have already made a chain of 12 stitches. This is just a small portion to show you exactly how to make the crossed half double crochet for this month for Battle of the Stitches. That is the stitch we're working on. And so to start, you don't need any multiples. It's whatever number of chains you need for the size of the project that you're working on. And the first step, what we want to do is we're working with half double crochets. So we want to count to the third chain from the hook. Remember, not the one on your hook, but 1, 2, 3, and we want to place a half double crochet, the start of a half double crochet into that stitch. And then we want to also, we're going to do 2 half double crochets together. So we go in the third stitch and begin, and we do not finish it off. We wait and we yarn over, and you go also into that fourth stitch, yarn over, and you'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. That is 2 half double crochets together. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to continue making 2 half double crochets together across the length of this chain, but we're always going to start our first one. We're going to yarn over, and instead of going into the next stitch, we started in the last stitch that was made, which is right here where we finished our half double crochet 2 together previously. So you put your hook right in there to start your first one, yarn over, go into the next chain. You have yarn over, you have 5 loops, yarn over, pull through all 5. Do that again, yarn over, go into the last stitch that you worked in, start your half double crochet, yarn over, go into the next chain. 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5. And we're going to do that all the way down the length of this chain until we have 1 chain left, and I'll meet you back here when we have 1 chain left. Alright guys, I have worked my 2 half double crochets together down the length of the chain. We have 1 chain remaining, so in that last chain we're just going to place 1 half double crochet. So just yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Sorry, that's curling up. And then what we want to do is we are going to turn our work. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to begin our half double crochet 2 together again. Now this chain is going to count as 1 half double crochet. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, we're going to go into that first stitch, we're going to begin our first half double crochet, stop right there, not finishing it, yarn over, and go into the next stitch, yarn over, there's our 5 loops again, yarn over, and pull through all 5. Okay? And then we're just going to continue making those half double crochets 2 together. Remember, always starting in the last stitch that you worked in to do your half double crochets together. And we're going to repeat that until we get down to the turning chain. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into that chain that you just finished working in, pull up a loop, yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5. And we're going to do that. I want you to do that all the way down till you get to your turning chain, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now this is where I want you to really pay attention, because when I was practicing this before, I was dropping stitches and I didn't realize it. On that first row that we did, remember we went all the way to the end and we had 1 stitch left, and we just did a half double crochet in that 1 stitch. Well, look at this one. I'm going to take this out real quick just for a second so you can see this. Okay, we are going to do 1 more half double crochet 2 together. So we will go into this stitch, but this is not the last stitch. We're going to finish our 2 half double crochets over this one, and then we still have the turning chain. So you don't want to miss that turn chain. So what you want to do is you want to do your last 2 half double crochets together. So you yarn in, go into that previous stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You have 5 loops, yarn over, pull through all 5 to do your 2 together. Now you have your turning chain from the row before, and you want to place the last 1 half double crochet into the top of that turning chain. If you forget to do that, you're going to be missing stitches. Okay, so don't forget, you have to put a half double crochet in the top of that turning chain. And then this row that we just did, this is what you're going to repeat. You're going to chain 2, you're going to do your half double crochet 2 together all the way down the length of your project, whatever that is. Okay, I'm going to show you this very quickly. We're just going to keep doing those 2 half double crochets together, all right, till we get to that turning chain. All right, insert the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through all 5. Get some more yarn here. Insert the hook, yarn over, insert into the next stitch. There you go. Remember to always work your first one into the previous one that was completed. Go in. Now here we are. We're going into that next stitch. We're doing our last half double crochet 2 together, and then we're back to the turning chain again from the previous row. We're going to yarn over. We're going to go into the top of that chain, and we're going to put our last 1 half double crochet. Okay? So that's how you make the crossed half double crochet. So guys, I'm really excited about this stitch. I hope that you will make something with it, and if you do, send me pictures, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video today. I really appreciate it very much. And let's get Critters Crochet to 2,000 subscribers. Hashtag Critters Crochet, road to 2K. So if you like this tutorial, there are lots more. So please like, comment, and subscribe to Critters Crochet. And make sure that you tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos when they come up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.